Hey my loves, we are going to sit down and talk about the ViprTech PC full specs breakdown. So, if you watched the video about me unboxing this PC that I'm talking about now, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. We are on Tara Love Diva TV. Alright, so if you saw my unboxing, you already know this wasn't just a purchase, this was an upgrade. Whew. But today we're getting into what really matters, what's actually inside this PC, and is it worth it? Why does this matter? As someone who writes, edit videos, and create content, I needed something. I'm reading my script. Hello, because this is what we do. I needed something that could keep up with me. No lagging, no delays, no frustration. I said it, no lagging, no frustration, and no delays. Because my old PC was annoying. It was 2016 when I purchased my old all-in-one computer. Woo! It was moving like Tim Comet. How's it coming? How's it coming? And after doing my research, yes, even using ChatGPT, that's my assistant. She's not even, that's my assistant. This is what I landed on. Thanks to Walmart for helping. The processor, the CPU. Let's start with the brain of the computer. This has an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F. What does that mean in real life? I don't know. We'll get to that in a second. Speed, multitasking, and smooth performance when I'm running multiple things at once. So if you have like 2 or 3 or 4 different screens open, it literally runs quick, because I've been using this for a minute. Let's get to the graphics card, the GPU. Now this right here is what really matters for editing. This has an RTX 5060 Ti. So when I'm editing videos, it's no lagging, smoother playback, and faster rendering. Let's get into the RAM. This comes with a 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Don't ask me what that means. Wow. And while that's good, I already know I probably upgrade to a 32 gigabytes GB because I like things fast. Now storage, 1 terabyte SSD. So everything loads quickly, and it does. Now waiting for no waiting for files, no delays. Opening program, no delays, opening programs. Let's say that again because that didn't make sense. No waiting for files, no delay openings program, no delays opening program. It's not slow when you open up programs. The motherboard, simple explanation. And the motherboard, this is what connects everything. Like a mother, you know. We're not gonna go there. And this system is built on a modern platform, so I can upgrade later if I want to. Okay, now let's get into the pros, because Tara's liking this. Hey, let's talk about the pros. Hello. What I love about this PC, it's fast, great for editing, upgradable, modern system, smooth performance overall. with pros, everything comes with cons. Let's get into the cons, which is really not much. 16 gigabytes RAM. That's not really a con because I can't upgrade. I will upgrade. It's an investment, and that's not really a con. It's an investment. You need a monitor to set up. That you do need. I'm using right now my 32-inch television. I'm using that right now. At some point, I want to get the screen that curves. At some point. Anyone? Anyone? Takes up space. Not really, because it's sitting on the floor. And I love the color. The colors, the LED light colors. Might be overkill for basic users. To me, everything I just read as a con is really not a con for me. It's really still a pro. But for other people, it might be a con because some people want an upgraded PC. I'm not a gamer. I don't do gaming. So if you're a gamer, I will go with a 32 gig. But I'm not a gamer. I just edit stuff, and trust me, it works. And as far as an investment, everything I do or purchase is an investment to the business that I am in. And you need a monitor setup. That's not hard. My final thoughts on this. So, is it worth this? For me, abso-freaking-lutely. Because I'm not just creating, I'm building something. If you've been thinking about upgrading, pay attention to your tools. Because when your tools level up, so do you. Hello. Unapologetically. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, because I've been using this computer for about a week or two. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And I want to say thank you to Walmart. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.